this thing.
Hold on, I'm recording him sliding.
Because maybe, you know, James get the wood or something, we can build it like this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll take a picture. Don't throw rocks at my
Better
camera.
steps, though, because these steps are too steep.
Yeah. He's playing with rocks. Don't throw. Don't throw them at the car. Mama, he wants your help. Be careful, Bubby. He knows they're dangerous.
Hi. Hi. Oh. Yeah, you can't go down in there. You can't go down in that one. I'm scared to death of that one.
You're not scared, Maddie. Mama is.
Yeah. I'm just scared he's going to get stuck in here.
Did you just growl at Mama?
No. No.
Don't lean off. I see your belly.
Looks like he's got a scratch down his face from that damn
Marker. Yeah. Be careful. Play. Are you going to play on the slide? Yeah. Woo. Huh? You gotta fix your shoe?